The stuff I do for YouTube, I'm trying to tell you, my Wi-Fi is just not working. It's just too many trees. I have been uploading for over an hour and it's only uploaded 25%. So I'm gonna try to go back down to like where the main office is. Oh my goodness, it's lighting up out here like crazy. I'm gonna try to go down there and see if I can get more signal, more reception down there. So I'm driving extra slow because it's super dark and it's raining. But I gotta get this uploaded. So I gotta do what I gotta do. But y'all coming along with me because the stuff I have to do, man. Because look at this. Yeah, this what I'm driving through. This road is windy and it's dark. Cause why I feel like it's trying to warn me, like, don't leave the park. I don't, whatever. Okay. Still trying to get signal. None. But I'm hoping once we're out of all of these trees, you know. It went down to one bar now. Oh my goodness. Okay. Whew. Alright, so let me try to upload this. So I went down to the entrance of the park and I still did not have enough signal. I could not get my video to upload. So I pulled out, came not even half a mile down the road, and there's this little building. So I parked here and I have a little bit of signal here. It's gonna take at least 30 to 40 minutes to upload, but I mean, that's better than nothing. So y'all, I came here, I pulled in about 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes. I've been here maybe 7 minutes. So they came around 4 minutes. So I've been here a few minutes and this other car pulled up in here. They pulled up. At first they looked like they were gonna pull up next to me and they didn't. Then they just turned around and they're just sitting kind of sort of behind me. Not right behind me, but like, let me show y'all. So you can see in my camera, they're just sitting there behind me. Y'all, so as soon as I turned the car around, because I did back in, but as soon as I turned around and had my car facing them, they moved. You're not gonna tell me that wasn't shady. You're not gonna tell me they wasn't trying to be shady. And I can't even believe, like, just being so crazed about trying to make sure this video gets uploaded. I just pulled in here and parked. I didn't back in, so I'm ready to just pull out. I'm tripping. But like I said, I always got my, you know, ready. But still. Okay, so I think it's officially done. No. Oh my gosh. Now it's saying checking. Talking about 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go. first time using my little waffle maker, so let's see. That's good. It's really good. So this morning I have been moving really slow. So good. But the rain from last night took me out. I cooked, I put everything up. I had to finish editing. And then by the time I got done editing, I didn't even really want to eat. I just went to sleep. This is so good. Oh my goodness. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna finish eating this and I will see y'all when I'm done, because I'm not even gonna lie, I'm trying to eat cute on camera, but I'm hungry. So yeah, I just need to go ahead and devour this real quick, but I'll see y'all in a second. Hey y'all, so I am so sorry. I did not even really get to record this trip. Let me explain what happened. So when I first got here, it was the last day of Vlogmas, y'all. So I had to, sorry, I sound a whole, sorry, I sound so gross. My bad. But when I got here, it was Vlogmas. It was the last day. So I had to film, edit, and try to hurry up and get that out. I had to drive out of the park, drive down the street, park, just so I could have enough signal to upload my last Vlogmas video. So I didn't get to relax that day. And then when I got back from uploading that video, it had already started raining. So I was like, okay. So it was raining. So then the next day I didn't really want to go, hiking or anything because it had just rained. Bugs were out like crazy. It was Christmas, so I just relaxed, chilled in here, watched TV, made a nice little breakfast. I did record that, but every time I picked up the camera to record, I just got so tired. And I was like, no, I'm supposed to be relaxing. So I put it down. And I made this nice big fire. I sat around that fire for like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. And I wanted to record it, but I really just wanted to enjoy it too. So I didn't record it. So most of the trip I really didn't record. I've just been relaxing, enjoying myself. So sorry. I will have another camping trip coming up very soon. So don't worry. I have that one in the bag for y'all. But I just needed to relax, y'all. And it feels so good. No. It's about to rain again. Good thing I'm about to leave in like 2 hours, but really? I guess I'm leaving at a good time. It's about to rain, so I do want to make that breakfast I made yesterday again because it was really good. It was really, really good. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to cook really quickly, straighten up, and then let's head out. Oh, I needed this though, y'all. Goodness gracious. My body just crashed out and just slept, and I need to find a good place to go sleep today because if it rains, oof, I need this. My body needs that. All right, let's get to cooking. So ready to eat. Ooh. So this trip was my first time using this waffle maker, and oh my goodness, I don't know what took me so long to break it out. Because I love pancakes, so of course I'm going to love me some waffles. Well, no, because some people don't like pancakes and they like waffles and vice versa, but I like them both. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, a little bit more syrup. Is it just me, or do like waffles and pancakes, they just swallow all the syrup so quickly? Here, y'all really wish y'all could have some. Hold on. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Everything is so good. It's not even funny. Mm-hmm. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Being vegan was cool. I was vegan for 2 years, but there is nothing like a breakfast like this, like sausage and bacon. Oh my goodness. Let me hurry up while I'm here falling in love with myself even more. With the orange juice, oh my goodness. This is too good. This is gonna be like my little pamper me breakfast from now on. Like, oh my gosh. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and devour this, and I will see y'all when I'm done because, oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm about to stuff my face real quick. We fam, but we still not like there yet, so I'm not ready to let y'all, see me eat the way I normally eat, but I'm hungry. We'll get there though, but I'll see y'all in a second. Whew. I'm good and full. I feel so good right now. Oof. That meal has me contemplating booking another day just so I can go lay down right now. Excuse me, that's gross. Sorry, it's natural. Whew. It was so good. And I feel like it's about to rain again. Like it started sprinkling, then it stopped. I feel like now would just be a real good time to go back to sleep. But I do have some more stuff I need to do, so time to check out. I have to come back here when it's not raining. I'm parking this exact spot. I really like it here. I really want to get to explore here a little bit more. I didn't get to explore that much, but I think this is like one of my favorite spots now. I like this. Whew. All right, let's get dressed, clean up, and then head out. I just don't even feel like moving. I don't. Let me get up. So I cleaned up the campsite. I unplugged my power, so everything is good to go. I'm about to throw out my last bit of trash on the way out, so I am all good. This was actually really, really relaxing, and I wish I could stay a few more days. I actually can stay one more day, but that might mess up some other plans I have, so I have to go. But I'm definitely coming back here, y'all. I am definitely coming back. It was just so peaceful. So peaceful. So there's actually one more thing that added to my experience, and it's something that I used to do for myself. So I don't know if y'all saw my last video, but I told y'all I'm going to start dating myself again because I need to. But seriously, I used to buy myself flowers every week, and I don't know what it is about flowers. It just makes me feel good. It makes my space feel good and inviting. I just love it. So this trip I made me a little bouquet. It is so cute. What do y'all think? So from now on, I'm gonna start buying myself flowers again. So yay. It just makes it feel so much better in here. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I just look at them and I just smile. So yes. I am adding flowers to the van officially. It's just so freaking cute. I need to find a place back there for them. So I normally will have them back there, but as soon as I drive, of course, I'm bringing them up here so they're safe. But yeah, thank y'all so much for chilling with me, even though this was a crazy camping trip that I hardly got to film. So sorry about that. But thank y'all so much. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.